In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about installing Google Tag Manager on your Shopify store, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Google and search for Google Tag Manager. Once you find it, create an account. You can rename the account as needed and select the country you're in. Add the address of your Shopify website in the respective field. Select the web platform. Accept the necessary settings and save. Next, we'll need to add specific code snippets to your Shopify store's theme. In your Shopify dashboard, navigate to your store's code editor. Look for the theme liquid called Section and open it. Paste the first code snippet right after the meta section, and the second code snippet just after the opening body tag. Save the changes and head back to Google Tag Manager. Confirm and submit your changes. Provide a descriptive note for the changes made. Publish the changes and wait for the successful completion message. Congratulations! You have successfully added Google Tag Manager to your Shopify website. Now you can efficiently manage your web pages through Google Tag Manager. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching.